Have you ever wondered how dyslexia impacts the lives of individuals? It's a common question, and the answer may surprise you. This condition, often associated with difficulties in reading and writing, doesn't necessarily limit a person's potential. In fact, some of the brightest stars in Hollywood, the greatest minds in history, and the most successful entrepreneurs have dyslexia. Consider Salma Hayek, Keira Knightley, and Tom Cruise. All three have graced the silver screen and won the hearts of millions, despite grappling with dyslexia. They didn't let their condition define them, but instead, they harnessed their unique way of processing language to deliver compelling performances, time and time again. And it's not just in Hollywood. Some of the world's most gifted minds, like Albert Einstein, Stephen Hawking, Leonardo da Vinci, and Pablo Picasso, were also dyslexic. Despite the challenges they faced with traditional learning methods, they turned their condition into a strength, using their enhanced creativity and ability to see the big picture to make significant contributions to science and art. In the business world, Richard Branson and Steve Jobs, both dyslexic, built billion-dollar companies. Their ability to bring together material from different subject areas, a common trait among people with dyslexia, translated into keen problem-solving skills that propelled their companies to the top. Even among the presidents of the United States of America, we find dyslexic individuals. George Washington, Abraham Lincoln, and JFK, despite their spelling ability, left an indelible mark on history. So are these stories of success despite dyslexia anomalies? Not at all. Dyslexia is not a disability, but a different way of processing language in the brain. It often comes with positives such as enhanced creativity, an ability to see the big picture, and a facility of bringing together material from different subject areas, which can translate into keen problem-solving skills. In the classroom, teaching a lesson about famous people who have dyslexia is a powerful way to promote awareness of specific learning differences. It also serves as an effective approach for motivating learners who struggle with dyslexia themselves, showing them that their condition doesn't limit their potential. So, what have we learned today? Dyslexia is a different way of processing language, not a disability. It can come with unique strengths that can lead to success in many fields. Famous individuals, from Hollywood stars to political leaders, from scientists to artists, have achieved great success despite their dyslexia. And importantly, understanding and awareness of dyslexia can build positive self-esteem among learners who have the condition. In essence, dyslexia is not a barrier to success but a testament to the power of resilience, creativity, and the human spirit.